The Rivers State Police Command has made another remarkable achievement in a swift operation, as a lady who engages in hookup in Rivers State recounts how she was abducted by a man whom she met online, forcefully slept with her, took her private photos, and threatened her relatives to pay a ransom for her release. During interrogation, the victim voluntarily shared her experience, providing detailed information about the suspect. However, the police command reiterates its unwavering commitment to justice and warns perpetrators of crime that there is no hiding place for the wicked.
1st of September 2025, a case of conspiracy, kidnapping and rape was reported to the Special Operations and Intelligence Team, where they swung into action based on intelligence-led policing and arrested some suspects. This suspect was alleged to invite a girl for hookup. Their names are Miracle, Waineme, Mills, and Ifeanyi Shuku and Ozi. They invited these girls for a pleasure, which is hookup. And the girls came all the way from Port Harcourt to Eshe, in Eshe local government area, where they asked the bike man to pick her up, and they were taking this girl inside the forest. And the girl knew she wasn't safe again. That was where she became afraid. This girl was assaulted, and they tore her clothes, they took her nude video, and they started sending it to her relatives. They asked her to give them 5 names, demanded for ransom. They asked her to bring 5 million naira, that if her relatives do not pay 5 million naira, they are going to dismember her body and all her vital organs to an allergy. And this girl became apprehensive. That was when she started pleading with them. These suspects have no mercy on this girl. They sexually assaulted this girl, and relatives started looking for money, and they paid 200,000 as a ransom. They tied her up. The 3 of them sexually assaulted her.
Because I'm here with the victim, so I want to hear from you what really happened that very day.
Okay. Good evening. On Sunday evening, I and one of them started chatting online in Tinder app, and then we agreed to meet that Sunday evening. So they even sent me money for transport to pay my boat down there. On getting there, the place they asked me to stop, that the road is bad, so that even the boatman refused to carry me inside. That they say it's one estate. I forgot the name of the estate, but his brother is coming to pick me. So one of them now came with the bike man, and I was not like that. I cannot go with you. That you're not the person that I was talking to. Then I tried locating the boat driver that carried me. His car was there, but he had already locked the car. I don't know where he went to. I tried booking ride to go back home, but I was not getting ride. I said, okay, that I've already come now. Let me just follow. And I said, sure, the place is not far. I said no, and I joined him on the bike. And then we started going. No, we passed where people are. It was at the junction there that they picked me. Passed where people are. Then where was I living? Where I was seeing people. And I said, where are we going? I said, don't worry, that we'll get. It's inside Pipeline Road. I'll be where that they're saying. And next thing, I did not see people again. So just push. That was when I knew that I had entered problem. So from the bike, then I started raising alarm that where people taking me to, where I taking me to. Then I think by the point I raised alarm, because where they carried me is not actually far from the junction, because immediately I just noticed I was not seeing people. I started raising alarm. I was shaking. They was like, why am I shaking at that? I should calm down. I said, no, I'm not seeing human being again. Why would I know he's shaking? So immediately they now cut and entered one narrow road and stopped. So at that point, now I've even removed my wig, I removed everything. Now past the man that was driving the bike now turned and just slapped me. Then the one at the back that held me, he held my throat, was strangling me. So then I was still struggling with them. We even fell the bike, said we fell on the floor. I was fighting with 2 of them on the floor. That they were beating me. So I still have bruises. They were beating me. That was struggling that if I struggle too much, they're going to kill me here. That nothing is going to happen. So at that point, and I started begging that please they should not kill me. That anything, that I'm not going to struggle with them. I'm not going to fight with them. That's okay. I should follow them. That was when they now carried me inside the bush. Then they sat me down in one place. When we're there, one of them left, then another one, that is, I think one of them left, but the bike man was still there. Then the other guy now came. That one too now started, that one just started beating me his own first, slapped me or slapping me then. And I said, I'm here now, that mainly that they are not even interested in the ransom, but they are going to call my people, that I should bring out 5 numbers in my phone, my family and any of my friends that we can contact. I told them that my family is only my mother, that I grew up with my mom, and me, I know that this one people are calling, that they cannot bring it out. And me personally, I don't even have money. I'm just managing myself. He said we should still call. So I called, made some calls. Then the people that they called now told them that they should bring 5 million, but that they are not begging them to bring the money, that because them they are into into human parts. So if they don't bring the money, that they are going to cut my organs, that they are going to take me to Alaji. That the bike man was like, if I wait to see they follow this guy, they talk. Let's carry her to Alaji. I was not begging that. Which one is Alaji? People just brought me here. You have to, at least, even this is ninth now, you have to give people time. So that was where I started begging them. And I said, Shebi, his man that I came to see, I say yes. And that they are going to sleep with me. I say, you're going to sleep with me. Is that one make you not carry me to Alaji? Say, and that one said it's okay. So one of them had sex with me. The bike man that was standing in front, that one too now came, and I did his own. Then they now carried me inside the bush again. That time now the bike man had gone. Then I was now with one of them inside the bush. My phone now died. Then the second one brought power bank and this thing. They wanted to rain, they opened tarpaulin. But before then, that was when they did video, because they already started calling people. So I think they were not responding. So they now did the video of me where I was begging them. I did the video. Yes, I sending it. I sent it to so many people.
How many persons did you send it to?
I don't know, the one I streamed my phone, and some group that was, they shared the video, like the video has even gone viral.
Other people seen it?
Yes. Even as I yesterday, people were calling me that they are seeing my video. About 4 of my friends have called me that they are seeing my video. Came in the night. Now with 2 of them. They still slept with me again that night. Then they wanted to rain. Just in the morning, after my friends they ran around, they now raised them 200,000. Yes, they sent them 200,000.
I heard from the suspect, he confessed, invited this girl via a handle named Tinder, and they were chatting on WhatsApp, and how she was invited to Ishe local government area. Please hear from them. This medium, bright ladies, meaningful job, various skills that you can engage yourself, bring food to your table. This girl would have just ended up alive, just a second chance God has given to her. They took her nude video and spread it across, while they started demanding for ransom, and the family members 200,000, while they demanded for 5 million. What it? Even the
While further investigation is ongoing, we'll continue to supply you more details as they become available. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Naija News TV for more news updates and trending controversies. Keep watching Naija News TV.